The interstate speed limit for cars is 75 miles per hour in several states. Now, to discourage passing, minimum speeds are also posted, so that the difference between the fastest and the slowest moving traffic is no more than, 20 miles per hour. Therefore, the speed, x, so x will be the speed of the car, that speed must satisfy this inequality. That makes sense. If we draw a number line here and label it x for our speed, then we have to be between, 55 miles an hour and 75 miles an hour. So we can be anywhere in here and we'll be fine. So what we want to do is write this inequality, 55 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 75, right? Look, we're dealing with x's, and our x's are right in here, right? They're right between 55 and 75. So we want to convert from an inequality to an absolute value. It's kind of going backwards from what we've been doing. So here's how I would look at these problems here. I'm going to go back to my drawing up here. What is right in the middle? What number is that? Well, I can get that number because it's halfway between, right? I could do this. 75 plus 55 divided by 2. What do I get? 130 divided by 2, which is 65. All right, so that number right in between here, that number right there is 65. If I'm at 65, where could I be? Well, I could go 10 miles an hour faster or 10 miles an hour slower. So I think we could write an inequality that looks like this. How far are we from 65? Well, we could be 10 above or 10 below. So I think we can write this as x and then x minus 65, right? So this says the distance between our speed and 65, now that has to be less than or equal to 10 miles an hour.